वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो 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 महापुरुषाय कृष्णाय प्रदायति कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामिने गौरतिसे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पति गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्ते तत्पांचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वर वृषभानुसुते प्रणमामि हरि प्रिय भक्त्या विहीना अपराधोत्थितस्य कामानि तरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वं शरणं प्रपद्ये वृन्दे नमस्ते
Excellent. That's good yesterday. That's good. Your pronunciation is very good. So very good to understand in English.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Nityam, Nirman, Nirman, Mudal, Chintatam, Chintatam,
Language is very clear.
Jivai Jaiyo, Shunite, Shunite, Pivodo, Cholito,
Madhadev gives
Jani,
even Maharaj would have not spoken those words. I to speak other than this. We'll give you the whole it's just a different Yesterday we had discussed about Sanatan Goswami's that he went to the Ganges to take bath, and then there was a Gaudiya person, Bengali person. He had washed his old torn out quilt and had spread it to dry out. He told him to trade his old torn out quilt with his new nice woolen blanket. He thought he was joking. You seem to be a learned person, but why are you joking with me? Why would anyone give his nice woolen blanket, precious blanket, for this torn out quilt? Why would you do this? And you would take this torn out quilt? Sanatan Goswami said, I am not joking with you. So he himself picked up his old torn out quilt and came back and left his nice woolen blanket there. And when he came in front of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wearing that old quilt, then Prabhu became satisfied with him. He asked and inquired from him, where did your blanket go? Then he told that a Bengali person was there, gave me this, and I traded him with this blanket. He told the entire story to him. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that I have thought nicely that the last material attachment with you, Krishna has taken away that. The last material object has been taken by Krishna out of his mercy. Just as a nice physician would not leave any derivatives of the disease of the patients. He would not leave any traces of the diseased patient.
जब नेचुरोपैथी में भर्ती रहता है, एक के बाद एक इलाज करते हैं, तब एकदम कंप देके मेरा बुखार आ गया, तब भी वहाँ नहाने पड़ेगा.
During that, if you take the naturopathy treatment, then while I was practicing that naturopathy, I felt sick and I was shivering. Then the doctor inquired from me that whether did you have jaundice any time in your life? I told him yes, about 21 years ago I had jaundice. So the doctor told me that was the last trace of jaundice left in your body. Now it will never come back. So just as a good physician takes away even the traces of the diseases, similarly even Krishna takes away the last material objects of a person, so that he does not suffer from the disease of material attachments. He is a doctor who will take care of material diseases. Those whose hearts are diseased out of separation. Those whose hearts are diseased by material attachments, Krishna is their doctor who relieves them of this disease. Then Mahaprabhu told him that you were wearing a precious woolen blanket. It was worth ₹3. It was equivalent to 24 man of chawal, of rice. It was very precious woolen blanket that he was wearing, and wearing such a woolen blanket and begging alms, doing madhukari, that did not suit you. The people will make fun of you. The people will joke around you. And your spiritual practices will be affected. It will be detrimental to your spiritual life. It did not suit a beggar. Sanatana Goswami replied, you had taken care of a kuvishay, that means a desire words Vishay, Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, Gandh.
परों के दारी सेव हो मान तुम्हारा जो बना
Our Prabhupada had mentioned that your wealth will give birth to enjoying sensual enjoyments.
टीवी था वो कला नहीं था अभी कला टीवी चाहिए
You initially thought that one should have a color TV instead of a black and white.
पैसा मिल गया
When you got money,
तो मिल गया
you obtained the color TV.
भाग की बात है
So
ये बात नहीं
you consider yourself very fortunate that now materially you're progressing, but actually
ये भोग देने
you're going deeper into sense enjoyments.
परों के दारी
But Prabhupada cautioned after that the only use of wealth is to serve Madhav.
माधव
Who is Madhav? He is Madhav, the husband of Lakshmi.
भगवान
Ma means Lakshmi, Dhav means husband, the husband or the master of Lakshmi.
भैया प्रभु तारे कृपा करिलो तार कृपा प्रश्न करिते तार शक्ति वैसे श्री चैतन्य देव उनका प्रति प्रसन्न हो गया
Then Chaitanya Dev becomes satisfied and happy with Sanatana Goswami, and because of that
सवाल करने का योग्यता
Sanatana Goswami became eligible to ask questions from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We keep on asking the questions.
कोई अच्छा नहीं जो स्वभाव
We keep on asking questions from here and there, which does not have any sense. In Bhagavad Gita, it is mentioned how to ask question and when to ask question. You need to be surrendered, serve and then ask question. Your inquiries should be honest, not just to while away the time, not challenging questions. You must serve the master. Then you will become the eligible to obtain the knowledge which the Tattvadarshi, which the Jnanis will give you that spiritual knowledge that they have obtained out of practice and practical experience. Who are these Jnanis? These Jnanis who have Tattva Darshan, who are expert in the spiritual knowledge. Since they have realized the spiritual knowledge themselves, they will be able to pass it on to you. In another place it is mentioned Tadvijnanartham. The object of knowledge is Sri Krishna. That means you must approach a bona fide spiritual master to know about the object of worship, that is Krishna. Who is a guru? He is Shrotriyam, expert in Vedic he is an expert in Shruti Shastras, Vedic literature. And he is Brahmanishta. He has unflinching faith in Bhagavan. Just by reading scriptures, he may speak. He is not a bona fide guru. The one who has realized if he has if he has learned the Vedic scriptures in a proper bona fide way, then he will surely become Brahmanishta. That is, who will have unflinching faith in Brahma. If someone reads the scriptures and then speaks, then you need to understand that he is suffering from a disease within. Why? because he has learned it properly. He's not learned it properly. There was a person who got admitted in Mission Hospital.
वो किसी से पैसा वैसा
He
लेता नहीं।
got admitted in the hospital, and the doctor told him you were going to be alive only for 1 month. So he went to an astrologer.
घर में रखकर इलाज करो।
The astrologer told him that you remain at home
ये तो खाना
and
तो ठीक है,
and then
लेकिन इनको स्वास्थ्य अच्छा होता नहीं क्यों? तब उससे पूछा तुम क्या खाने पसंद पड़ता है? वो बोलते हैं खीर।
so
अच्छा से
the
खीर
person
बनाया।
came back home,
जैसा
and once he was asked, what do you like to eat? He said, I like kheer,
लस्सी से बंद
sweet
हुआ।
rice.
बड़ा परात में खीर भर के वो एक
So the doctor, the Vaid, the Ayurvedic doctor, asked him, what do you like eating? He said, I like sweet rice, kheer. So the doctor put kheer in a pot
टूटता नहीं
and tied the patient with a rope and tied the end of the rope to one corner.
वो नासा से कीड़ा निकाला।
He tried to eat kheer, taste kheer, but could not reach the kheer. He really wanted, desperately wanted to taste kheer. After some time, when after so many trials, an insect came out of his nose and immediately fell down. The person immediately got cured. Why? Because he had insect in his body which did not allow him to eat properly, and because of this he became weak and diseased. Similarly, we are also diseased.
खांसी का मतलब
We will not be able to understand scriptures on our own.
जैसे
Even if we try, we shall not be able to understand scriptures.
अभी आदमी जाकर के थूक दे दिया और दुखी हो गए।
There was a
कभी
person
जाकर के वहाँ मिट्टी गिरा दी,
who had a
कभी गोबर डाल दिया।
a plate of food before him. Someone bothered him by spitting in his platter, sometimes throwing mud in his platter, by disturbing in so many manners. Then the person did not mind, he was fully patient. The other quality is avyarthakalena, that is without wasting. He would not waste even a moment. Thakur how will he not waste a moment? He will always engage his mind in Krishna consciousness. That is avyarthakalena. Then the other quality is virakta. Virakta means detachment. He will be detached towards the worldly objects.